Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the lead code problem merge string alternatively. So the question is you given two string word 1 and word 2. Merge the string by adding the letters in alternating order. So we need to merge these two string with alternating the orders. Okay, and the starting with the word 1, so the first letter of the merge string will be the word 1. Okay, if a string is longer than other, if one string is longer than other, then what will happen? Append the additional letter into the end of the merge string, so the extra string part will be adding to the end of the string. Okay, so we will see the example. So in here word 1 having 3 letter, word 2 having 3 letter, so both are having the same equal letter. Okay, so in here, so we will simply merge the two strings. So first letter A, then second word first letter P, then B, Q, C, R. So like this we will merge both the words. Okay, so in example 2, so what is in here? The word 1 having 2 letter, but word 2 having 4 letter. So in here what to do? So we need to merge the first 2 letter of the word 1 and the 2 letter of the word 2 will be merged alternatively, and remaining this RS, the extra 2 letter, will be adding at the last of the our output. Okay, the same thing also in here in example 3, word 1 having 4 letter and word 2 having 2 letter. So in here the first 2 letter of word 1 and the first and the 2 letter of the word 2 will be merged alternatively, and the extra letters will be adding at the end of the string, as you can see. Okay, and the constraint is the length of the word must be greater than 1 and less than 100. Okay, so let's try to understand the problem statement. So in here we can see first word having 3 letter, second one having 3 letter, so we can simply merge with first second words letter alternatively. So you can see AX, YB and CZ. And in the second example, as you can see, first word having 5 letter and second word having 3 letter. So in here what to do? We will merge the first 3 letter of the word 1 with word 2 3 letter, and remaining these two will be add at the end of the string. Okay, so now you understand the question. Now we will try to solve this question. So what we will do, we will iterate both the strings one by one. Okay, so we will start from I. So I equal to 0, so I take an I index for word 1 and j index for word 2. Okay, so for word 1 I will start from I equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So it will iterate up to the length of the string. Okay, so the length equal to 5, so I will iterate up to 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, same for word 2, we will start j equal to 0, then 0 1 2. Is the length equal to 3 of the second word, so the j will iterate up to 2. Okay, so now you understand the question, and we will try to implement in the code. So we'll go to our lead code here. So I have selected Java language, so you can select any language. So let's try to implement the problem statement. So the we need the first thing is we need the length of both the strings. Okay, So we will store the length int m equal to word1 dot length int n equal to word2 dot length. Okay, now we will take I and j. Int I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. Okay, then for output we need a string to store the value, the output result. So string str, but so we can't use string because in Java string is immutable. So we have to use string builder. String builder is mutable. So we need to use string builder. Str equal to string builder. We have created a object of string builder. Now we will append our letters to the str object. Okay. Now we'll write a loop. So if I is less than m or j is less than n. So I write the condition unless until I reach to the length of the word 1 or j reaches to the length of word 2, this loop will run, and in here we'll check if I is less than m. If it is less, then we need to append string dot append. So we'll append word1 dot caret I. So we will append the first, as I equal to 0, we will append the first letter to the str string builder. Then we will do I plus plus for the second letter. So we will do I plus plus. Okay, so the same thing for if j is less than n, then append word 2, the second word, and we need to do j plus plus. So both will iterate up to the end of the length. Okay, so at the end we need to return the output. So return str. So in here, as you can see, the type of the return type is string. So but we have stored in the string builder, so we need to take the string from the string builder. So string dot to string. Okay, so this method will give us the string from the string builder object. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. We will run the code. Semicolon mission. Okay, we'll run the code. Let's see. Yeah, so all test cases are clear. Now I will submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. All looks good. Now we will see what is the time complexity and space complexity of this program. So the time complexity is, as we iterate both the words, so the time complexity will be O m plus n, and m and n are the length of the words. Okay, and the space complexity is, as we are not taken extra space for this program, so the by default will be 1. Okay, so this one we have achieved by using two pointer, and it can be achieved by one pointer also. We can try in the next video. Okay, yeah, thanks for your time. Bye bye.